you don't die.
Wow.
That's quite a run from up there.
It is. I like that.
I say you come out here and run this every other day, top to bottom. You'd be a world-class athlete.
You'd be in shape. You know, I guess the theme of this whole trip is it's not bad, but I've been here when there's been good snow, and it's a lot more fun. Oh well.
Yeah. I can feel it in my hip today a little more than I have in my calves.
Yeah, me too. My left leg, you know, when that's my downhill leg, it's harder to make the turns, you know, because of the knee. My right leg is stronger, so
Right.
you know, the other turns are. But you know, what the hell.
Frank! Hey! On the GoPro! That's flipping awesome!
Wow, that's gonna be fun to see how that turns out.
That's freaking crazy!
Oh my gosh, that's gonna be so cool.
Is that light still blinking red?
No,
No?
where is it?
You'll see it if it's blinking. That'll suck. That didn't happen.
I don't see any red light.
No? Damn it.
Use up all your power?
Huh?
Use up all your power?
I don't, not this quickly, usually.
You sure it
That
was
sucks.
on?
Huh?
You sure it was on?
I'll check down there.
Okay. Which way are we going, Colin?
Huh?
I think I'm going this way. Okay.
Oh yeah, that's gone. You can barely watch. See?
Good. I'll be back in a minute. Paul.
Can't camp out in the highway.
What do you say?
Nice, Fred! Send it, buddy!
You and Josh can go. Huh? Okay. We're just gonna do this side here. That's all we're gonna do.
Okay.
Until we get tired. You find it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I took mine out and put it in my pocket, yeah. Oh, easier.
Yeah. They never did that before.
No. Somebody's probably scamming like a barcode or something.
Yeah.
That's why they want to see it.
Yeah. But they were able to do that at Keystone.
Right.
Right through here.
I was having problems there.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh, yesterday. Yeah, that's right. Which side do you want?
This side.
Okay.
I like to just do two, there ain't no line.
The boys go up already?
Yeah.